What's up, guys? It's Big J Money. We're back with Truck Rips Series 1, Episode 2. Whatever. Got one of these Zenith Hobby Boxes. We're going to try to get a Zoom or a nice low numbered Jaden Daniels. There's some serious fire that comes out of here. But this is very high risk, high reward. I traded in some stuff for this box out of my collection. There's only 6 cards in this pack, and it costs $250. So you can absolutely get roasted here, but we'll see what's in our pack. I mean, right off the bat, I see gold. See that? There's gold. I don't know who it is, but I like the looks of that. But Caleb Williams on the Z team. And that's going to be Malik Neighbors marquee, 6 of 10. So that's not bad. Got Joe Burrow, 250. There's Joe Burrow on the Zenith to 50. Now there's the Caleb. That's non-numbered. So you get 2 autographs in here, and the first one's going to be Troy Franklin on the RPA. That's numbered to 399. And our second auto, it's going to be Ladd McConkey to 49. That's not bad. So that's a pretty solid box. Did we get our money back there? No, but I'll take that. Ladd to 49 and Tavondre Sweat on the back to finish that box out. So there you go, guys. Tell me what you think of that rip. Did I win? Did I lose? Is it somewhere in between? I don't know. But that's going to do it for now. Thanks for watching. Till next time, later.